Hey there, welcome back to another AI agents tutorial. Today, we are diving into how to build a real-time AI agent capable of scraping and retrieving up-to-date information. Think of it as your own version of Perplexity. We're combining SERPAPI for live search data with N8N and OpenAI's GPT-4 to process that data into natural, human-friendly responses. But before we jump in, let me share something. I built my very own AI team, and they are working for me. They handle everyday tasks to everything from scheduling to quick research. Also, they are helping scale my business. So if you want to learn how to earn with AI agents, I want to give a quick shout out to our Make Money with AI Agents community. This is where I help people like you turn AI automations into revenue. We don't just talk tech, we also find customers together, pitch to them collectively, and collaborate on strategies to build profitable AI-driven services. If you are looking to earn income from AI and automation, this is the place to be. Let's get started to build this SERP API agent. Before we start building our AI agent, we need to log into N8N, the no-code automation platform that will power our workflow. Open your preferred browser and go to n8n.io. Click on Login and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up and create one. You can also install the self-hosted version if you prefer running it locally. Once logged in, you'll see the N8N dashboard where we'll create and manage our automation workflows. Now that we are inside an N8N, let's create a new workflow to serve as the foundation for our AI agent. In the left sidebar, click on Workflows to open your workflow list. Click on New Workflow at the top right to create a blank workflow. A new empty canvas will appear where we will add nodes to build our automation. Rename the workflow to something descriptive like Real-Time AI Search Agent by clicking the pencil icon at the top. This blank workflow will serve as the backbone of our AI system, where different components will interact to fetch real-time data and generate intelligent responses. The first step in making our AI agent interactive is adding a chat trigger node, which will allow us to communicate with the AI. Click the plus button on the workflow canvas to add a new node. In the search bar, type chat trigger and select it from the list. Once added, this node will act as the entry point for user messages, meaning anytime a user sends a message, this workflow will start processing. Why is this important? The chat trigger node makes our AI responsive, allowing it to react to real-time user input instead of running on a fixed schedule. Before moving forward, let's confirm that the chat trigger is working properly by simulating a message. Click Chat, send a message like Hello AI Agent to the connected bot or chat. Go back to N8N and open the execution log found in the top right corner. If the message was received successfully, you should see a new execution in the log, meaning our trigger is working. Now that we've set up message reception, let's add the AI agent node, which will process user inputs and generate intelligent responses using OpenAI's GPT-4. Click on the plus button again to add another node. Search for AI agent and select it. Once added, connect the output of the chat trigger node to the input of the AI agent node by dragging an arrow between them. This step ensures that messages sent by users are automatically forwarded to the AI for processing. Now, let's configure the AI agent so that it can process queries and generate meaningful responses. Click on the AI agent node to open its settings. Under Agent Name, type Real-Time AI Agent to easily identify it. Enable tools by toggling the option. This will allow the AI to access additional tools like memory, calculators, and real-time search functionalities. Click Save to apply the settings. And from Chat tool, choose OpenAI Chat. At this stage, we have a basic AI agent that can process incoming messages, but it doesn't yet have the ability to fetch real-time data. In the next steps, we'll integrate SERPAPI to enable live search capabilities. Since we are integrating real-time web search into our AI agent, we need an API key from SERPAPI, which enables Google, Bing, and other search engine scraping. Open your browser and go to serpapi.com. Click Sign Up and create a free account. It provides 100 searches per month for free. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard, then click on API keys. Copy your SERPAPI API key, as we'll use this to connect it inside N8N. This integration ensures our AI agent has live access to search results, allowing it to fetch up-to-date information rather than relying on outdated, static knowledge. Unlike previous implementations where we used separate HTTP requests, N8 itself has a direct integration for SERPAPI within the AI agent node, making the setup seamless. In N8N, under the AI agent, scroll to the Tools and click Add. Select SERPAPI from the available tool options. By integrating SERPAPI as a direct tool, our AI agent will automatically query live search results whenever needed, without requiring extra nodes. Now that we've added SERPAPI as a tool, we need to configure it. Click on the SERPAPI tool inside the AI agent node. Select Create New Credentials if this is your first time using SERPAPI in N8N. Paste your SERPAPI API key into the Credentials section. Click Save to store your credentials. This setup ensures that the AI agent can dynamically pull real-time information when responding to user queries. To make sure the AI knows when to use SERPAPI, we need to customize its system prompt. Inside the AI agent node, find the system prompt field. Replace the default instructions with the following. You are a real-time AI assistant with live search capabilities. Whenever you receive a query requiring up-to-date information, use the SERPAPI tool to fetch the latest results before responding. This tells the AI agent to automatically query SERPAPI whenever it needs real-time search results. Before proceeding, let's verify that SERPAPI is correctly integrated into our AI agent. Click Execute Workflow in N8N. Ask the agent a real-time query such as, what are the latest AI trends in 2025? The workflow should receive the message through the chat trigger, pass it to the AI agent, trigger SERPAPI to fetch live Google results, summarize the findings using GPT-4, return an answer containing fresh information. If the test is successful, the response should include a real-time summary instead of static or outdated information. To further refine search results, you can customize SERPAPI's query parameters. Inside the SERPAPI tool settings, you can specify country-specific results. Set the location parameter to filter by country, e.g., United States. Language-specific searches, use the language parameter, e.g. N for English. Domain-specific searches, restrict results to google.com or another search engine. This level of customization allows our AI agent to tailor its responses based on user needs. Execute the full workflow and try different queries. If results aren't coming through, check that SERPAPI is properly integrated inside the AI GENT node. Ensure your API key is active and has available searches left. Verify that the AI is correctly parsing SERPAPI data before responding. Once confirmed, you now have a fully functional, real-time AI agent that pulls live search data seamlessly. Alright, so now you have a fully functional real-time AI agent that can pull live search results, process them with GPT-4, and provide users with up-to-date intelligent responses, all within N8 N. But this is just the beginning. With AI agents, we are no longer just creating simple chatbots. We are building fully autonomous digital workers that can think, retrieve, and act based on real-time data. This means smarter assistants, more efficient workflows, and a massive competitive edge for those who implement these systems now. If you found this tutorial valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with any questions or ideas for future videos. And if you're serious about building next-gen AI automation, make sure to check out the Make Money with AI Agents and join our school community where we dive deeper into AI automations and growth strategies. Now, go put this system to work, test it out, and let me know how you're using real-time AI agents in your own projects. See you in the next one.